Hey guys, what's this? A controller? That may be right. Okay, and what else have we got here? What is it? Alright, a new keypad. Yes, a new keypad. Well, a keypad. I've not got a keypad before. Okay, so this is the controller that you will need for this video, and obviously you'll need one of these. Okay, so what you want to do oh yeah, by the way, I've not got a link to it, but go on eBay, I think they're £10, just search up like Xbox controller keypad, or Xbox 360 or Xbox One. I don't even know if they have an Xbox One. So then you clip it in, wait, I think it's in, yeah. You make sure, see these sides, this was my problem, I didn't clip them in properly in the holes, right here, if you see. Okay, there we go. So you've got your controller right now, you want to turn it on, and this might be a bad view, but I'll show you, like, I don't know, a one-handed thing or something. Okay. So, you know that button there, that takes you straight onto your friends, which I'll try and do it one-handed. Right? Yeah, there you go. Sorry, it's a bit of a bad view here. All my videos are pretty much bad. Okay, there you go. And then, what was I going to do? Oh yeah, say like messages. I'm obviously not going to tell you any of my friends, but reply. This is one of my friends, and if you type, yes, I'm wearing blue pants. So let's start. I'll start off with like a woof woof or a woo. I don't know. Woo. Okay, then you'd press this button right here. Okay, and then you'd press send messages, send message, but obviously I'm not going to send it. So I will go back over here to my setup, and yes, I do have a blue chair. Okay. Oh, that should have been a better setup actually. Okay, so this is the controller with a keypad. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you already haven't, and see you next time. Bye!